How can you resync OneDrive on the iPad? Let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on where you use it, if you have it part of the files or as a separate app, but in either case, I would go to the App Store and check out the OneDrive, and if there is a update available, I would most definitely click on update so I get the latest version of that. Then once we are inside, you want to make sure that you are using the proper account, because if you feel like your account isn't being synced with other files, just tap on the account icon in the top left corner, and you can see that we have the ability to see which email we're using and also add a new account if that is the thing that you are going after. So the syncing should happen automatically, so you make sure that you have proper internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, but you want to have the thing set up so it can actually access the internet and be resynced. If you are using the OneDrive as part of the Apple Files app, as I mentioned at the beginning, you want to make sure that you go there, and if you feel like it's not working properly, just go to the sidebar, click on Edit, and turn off the OneDrive, and then re-enable it so you can kind of like reset the connection and make sure that the latest files always show up in here in this section, and that way you should always be up to date with all of the synced files. So I really hope that I could explain it well in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix the issue for yourself. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.